In this video, let's check two other functions you can use in PineScript to plot stuff on your chart. And in this video, I'll show you how you can color your background or how you can change colors of your bars. So let's look at the following script. So here I have just some indicators here from like moving average calculated. And let's imagine that based on this moving average and the price related to this moving averages, I want to plot my background and bar colors. So to plot the background, it's quite easy to do that. So all you need to do is you need to call bgcolor function, and you have to specify a color you want to color your background in. So let's save it and see how it looks. And as you can see, it colored like my entire background in red. Of course, it doesn't make much sense. To make a bit more advanced example, what you have to do, you have to compute your color using, for example, conditional operator. So here, if like my close price is above my fast moving average, I color my background green. In all other cases, I will color my background red. So as you can see, it's quite simple. Let's save it and see if it looks well. So as you can see, it seems to work fine. We have green color here for the background and red color here for the background. So it seems to work. If you want to have a bit more complicated example, of course, you can use like a nested conditional operators. So here you can check that my close price is above fast moving average and fast is above slow, then it's red. If like my price below the fast and fast below the slow, it's green, and in all other cases it will be yellow. So as you can see, it seems to work. Should be fine as well. So here you can see it seems to work fine. Now we have like 3 colors and so on. You can create a bit more complicated example with that if you want to. And as for all other kind of plotting functions in bgcolor function, you can find like parameters like offset, editable, show last, and title. So you can do this as well. So here, for example, I can see I display my background only for the last 50 bars, and I offset it to the right by 10. Another function that is very similar to bgcolor is barcolor, and it works exactly the same way as bgcolor, but it colors not your background but your bars. So if you want to change colors of your bars, what you can do is you can just call barcolor, pass like the color you can compute using some conditions, and PineScript will color your bar accordingly. So here, for example, I have simple example. When my price above my fast moving average, I will color my bars black, and in all other cases will be white. So I saved it, and as you can see, it seems to work fine. And of course, you can do some complicated expressions for your color of your bars. Here, for example, I have 3 conditions, and here you can see how I color my bars in like black, white, and green, depend on like a kind of nested conditional operator. And the same as for bgcolor, you can find other pretty useful parameters like offset, editable, show last, and title, just if you want to do something like that as for other like plotting functions.